come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
So you guys, I'm just gonna jump right into the unboxing. This is the box. This is the box that it comes in. It says enhance your beauty, 100% human hair. So I got a 13x4 lace wig, frontal lace wig. Yeah. 26 inches. I don't know why I can't talk today. 26 inches straight. So this is the wig. In the box, it only came with the wig, and I had took it out. I had already did an unboxing, but I'm redoing this video. But this is the hair, and this is the hairline. The description said pre-plucked, which you can see it is, but you're gonna have to pluck this some more. Yeah, pluck it some more, y'all. Well, pluck it to your liking. You don't have to pluck it some more, but pluck it to your liking. If this is good for you, it's good for you. It comes with four clips, and it has the strap at the back. This is what the lace look like. Well, the inside. It's super cute. I think overall though, like, this is some good lace. And the quality of the hair feels nice. The hair doesn't feel thin neither, so that's good. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Short unboxing. I'm about to go bleach my knots, pluck this, and yeah, basically I'm about to just customize this wig, and I'll be back. So this is the hair. I just installed it and did all that niceness to it, and the hair is mad cute. I straightened it, and it's really like sleek. I really didn't have to straighten it that much, like just one go through, and it was like good. So yeah, I like how it look. It's not the thickest hair. I think it's like 150, and like I would get like 180, so 150 for me is like, you know. But yeah, it's not the thickest hair, but it's really not thin, so it looks like really natural. Yeah, I like this hair. This is 26 inches, so I'm about to show y'all where it stopped. So right here, yeah, so it's touching like my booty, like just touching it. Hold on. So I'm actually gonna do a 2-week review for this hair, so I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks, let y'all know what's up. But my initial review, I really do like how this hair looks, how it feels, and all that. Yeah. Alright.
2 weeks later.
Hey you guys, so it's been over 2 weeks now since I've had this hair. I installed it on like April 15th or so, and today's May 4th. So I'm just gonna say, when I ordered this hair, I ordered it because it was cheap. It was like $120, and you know, we're in quarantine, so the hair salons are closed and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, let me get this and, you know, try it. And when I did get it, it was, they only had 130 density, so that was the only density they had, and this hair is too thin for me. Like, I don't like how thin it is. I know it doesn't look thin right now, but that's because it's all curled and stuff and flexi rotted and stuff, but it's a bit too thin for me, a bit too thin for my liking. I know I showed you guys how thin the ends were, and yeah, the ends are really thin, so it's like a pair is thick, well, not even thick, but thicker than the bottom. And I know how weaves work and stuff like that, like I know that's a thing, but it's just like really thin, like really thin. So for shedding, it sheds, but not like nothing crazy right now, because I flexi rotted it. And if you flexi rod weave and stuff like that, you know that it tends to get like tangled when you flexi rod weave. But okay, so that is kind of a lot. But I don't think it's nothing crazy. I do like the texture of the hair and stuff like that, but you know, it's just the thinness that's throwing everything off. I don't like how thin it is. Like, I can't deal with it. So the question is, do I recommend this hair? Honestly, I'm just gonna say this: if you just want to get a wig just to get it, and you don't really plan on having it for a long time, like you plan on just keeping it in for a while, you know, then okay, then you could get this wig. Like, but if you plan on getting a wig and you plan on keeping it for a while and reusing it and all that good stuff, this is not the wig for that. Like, this is not the wig for that, because it's way too thin and you're gonna look dumb. Like, you're gonna look dumb. Like, right now it looks fine because it's curled, and it did look fine when it was straightened. When I first initially put it in, it did look fine, but it was still thin. And after like the days went on, like it got, I don't want to say thinner, but it just didn't look as full. But that was kind of because buildup of products and stuff like that kind of did have something to do with that. But still, it still just wasn't, it wasn't given. Like, it just wasn't given. So yeah. Trying to show you guys how the curls look, but I like the lace on his hair. It's transparent, it melted into my skin. I didn't have no problems as far as that with the lace. The lace is really nice, so that's a plus for this wig. And this is a 13x4 wig, so you can part it how you want, so that's another plus. The cons of this hair is really just the thinness. Like, ugh. Like, I don't know, maybe if you guys go on their store website and look at other hair that they have, maybe you guys will like those. As long as, if they have more options, like density options, I recommend you go higher up. This one only had 130, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure they have more density options, probably just not for this wig, but probably for their other ones. So I would recommend you guys get those ones instead, because aside from that, I do like this hair. Yeah, I'm really just trying to figure out like what else I have to say. This is gonna be a short video because there's really not much to say about this. Yeah, that's the lace. My baby hairs look crazy right now, but whatever, I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, I really don't have nothing else to say. I'm sorry. Comment down below any questions you have and I'll answer them. yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell and follow me on Instagram. Y'all don't be following me on Instagram, so I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.